Welcome back to my channel. As you probably already read in the title, I'm going to do Boxycharm Base Box and Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. So if you're interested to see what I got for this month, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have here my base box and I got here my premium box. You can kind of see some stains like right here. Oh no, this way. Right here, because I sprayed them, disinfect everything I get in the mail with everything going on. So let's just jump right into it. So this is the base box, normal. I'll leave the details and prices of each box down below, so if you want to check it out, go look in the description box, okay? Okay, let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what we got. Hello. There is no card. There is no card on this month for May. Well, let's see. I'll try to find the details of the prices of each product online, and then I'll just post them somewhere here, okay? Let's see. So the first thing I have here is by Trustique Face. This is a conceal cover plus correct crayon. What shade are you in? And I have the shade Porcelain. Let's see what it looks like. So it's a pencil, like a Sharpie type thing. It's a jumbo one. And you open it up, you get this. I'm not really a big fan of this type of packaging, but this actually might be helpful to outline and clean my eyebrows. Ooh, and it's magnetic. Do you hear that? And then we have the sponge right there. Where's this sponge? It's a confidence boosting concealer for all your touch-up needs. Glides on with a smooth light feel and leaves a luminous natural finish. Everything you need to cover, conceal, and correct your minor imperfections. Infused with coconut oil, known for hydration properties. Sponge is antibacterial. And as I said, I'll leave the price somewhere here if I find it, okay? Next item I have here is by Glam Glow. This is the Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And what do? Okay, it says apply even layer to the skin, leave for 10 minutes for first result, tissue off and smooth any excess. If desired, rinse and what do you do though? Okay, so it's just a recovery mask, I guess, because it doesn't really have any descriptions of what it actually does other than the application on the back. So this is item number 2. I like their masks, but they're so expensive. Okay, item number 3 is this plant-based vegan daily concept shampoo bar. I don't even know how long it's been since I used bars like of soap or shampoo. I'm wearing the Liquidate now. But ooh, look at this. It looks like a candle. Do you see that? Let's see this. Oh, it smells like lemony herbal. I like the smell. It has avocado oil. It's shower the world with love. So it has avocado oil, nopal, so cactus, and aloe vera or aloe. So avocado is for rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. Bend don't break. And then the nopal cactus, super nourishing and protects hair from the harshest elements. And aloe, it's moisturizing and balancing as well as soothing for hair and scalp. I'm actually really interested and intrigued to try this out. So that's item number 3. Okay, next we have here is this by Laura Geller, and it's illuminator. I have mine in the shade Peach Glow. So it's a Bake Gelato Swirl. Ooh. Let me swatch it. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. It's too subtle for me. I like something more glowy. Can you see it right here? So it's an illuminator, so highlighter. And the last thing I see here is this bubble wrap. It's a palette. eyeshadow palette by Studio Makeup. Easy to wear eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging, very sleek and magnetic. Can you hear that? The story color, I'm not really intrigued by it. The shimmers, like these two shimmers, they kind of look kind of dull. Like I don't think I'm gonna like get much shine out of it, but I'm not really liking the story color here, so I don't know. Okay, so that's what I got for the base box. Now let's go into the premium box. Okay, so this one's a big box. It's a bigger box. Oh, we're right here. This one's a bigger box, and it's more money than that one, but I'll leave all the price down below. So let's open it up. Okay, so it comes like this. And then you can see all the goodies in here. Whoa. Whoa. Hello? I didn't get a card either for my premium box. That's interesting. Okay, the first thing I have here is a Pure Heals by Nature Village. This is a Centella 90 Ampule. So it looks like this. Well, that's a big bottle. Ooh, I like the packaging. Let me smell it. I smell something, but like a herbal smell, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so this is a smoothing ampule. What is that? Which contains Centella asiatica complex extract. It reveals irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Okay, so this is good for sensitive skin, and no prices either. So I'll try to look online for this too. So that's the first one for premium box. Okay, next thing I have here, this is by Kat Von D, the 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade. Oh, please be a dark color. Please be a dark color. Okay, let's see. Oh, medium brown. Oh, I don't think this is gonna go with my eyebrow color. Oh man, can you see that? That's definitely brown. Can you see this? This is not gonna go with my eyebrow color. Like, can you see this? Like the difference? Way lighter. Why do you guys do this to me? So I don't think I would actually be able to use this. That's so sad. Let's go for item number 3. And I have this by Sugar Rush Tarte. So I'm guessing this is Tarte's Best Spot Lip Butter Balm. I have the shade Peony. Let's open it up. Ooh, this is such a pretty packaging. Do you see that? It's like a yellow rose. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful packaging. Doesn't really smell like anything though. I know there's just like a slightly scent, but I can't really smell anything. What do you do though? So it's a lip balm. That's all. It's a lip balm. Cute little thingy. Item number 3. Item number 4 I have by Milk Makeup. Tiny. This is a glow oil lip and cheek. A sheer blush and lip stain pack with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. So this is like a kind of like a tinted moisturizer, but in an oil form. Okay, so like this. Tiny little thingy. I actually don't owe anything, oh you twist, of Milk Makeup, so what do you do here? Okay. Oh god, I'm afraid I'm gonna break this. So it has a little protecting thing, you can see it right there. I can't take it off. Okay, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna try this, so I might just as well leave it in the box. Because I'm more of a liquid lipstick, but I don't know. We'll see what this does. Okay, 5th thing for the premium is this by Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Reconstructing Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. Okay, that's in a different language. Eye concentrate. So this is an eye concentrate. Okay, hold on, let me show you. So this is the packaging. Now let's see what it looks inside. Oh, I'm like, ooh, this is, okay, I open it up like this. I'm like, ooh, that's the cap. Thinking it was gonna pull up the whole thing, and look at this. Really? Is there anything though? Wow, such big package for such a tiny thing. So this is an eye, like cream, eye concentrate. Ooh, it's very creamy. Look at that. Oh, this smells like, what do you smell like? Coconut? Is that coconut? Oh, then I'm gonna love you. Everything that smells like coconut is my best friend. I'm not mad at that. I love skincare stuff, so I'm fine. Last but not least, because there's nothing else in here, I have this Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And then you pull this down, and you get this. Oh, and then you open up, and then you open up. Jeez, oh peace. Oh, look at this. Do you see that? Like, do you see the shape of this? It's like, oh my goodness. Look at that packaging. Natural pet. Oh, natural matte. And it has a little heart here. Do you see that? Ugh. Okay. Okay, how do you open this? Okay. So this is what it looks like. They're all neutral matte colors. There's no shimmer. I'm actually intrigued to try this out. I probably have all these colors in different palettes, but it smells like chocolate. Oh, not too much of a strong scent, but you can smell some chocolate. And I love the mirror. Do you see that? I love the packaging of this. I'll post a total right here or here or whatever. The total for each individual box, what the products add up to. But I don't know, I'm not really into the base box. Actually, I don't like the eyeshadow palette. I feel like that and crayon, the corrector crayon. That's are the only things I don't like about the base box. For this big box, the glow oil, lip and cheek oil, and then the pomade from Kat Von D, those are probably going to be a big no. First of all, the pomade, it's light color for me. It's a brown. And I clearly don't have brown eyebrows, so that's not gonna work for me. But the other stuff, it's okay. They're not my favorite boxes, but they're okay. That's all I'm gonna say. If you like this type of videos, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tune in until next time. Okay, bye.